Hey there, YouTubers. Alright, so I originally filmed this and wasn't so happy with the results, so we're trying again. We got the Panasonic FZ80 4K camera out. We're doing a macro, so hopefully the text is coming in really clear and we've got a nice zoomed in picture basically. Though macro lens is not necessarily a zoomed in picture, but it's for close-ups. And in a moment, I'm going to take those connectors and assemble them as you see them now, step by step, so you can see how it's done. So this is a Gigabyte H310M S2P motherboard, and on the Gigabyte motherboards, it actually has labeled on there what is in each spot. So it's a little hard to see through my magnifying glass, but we are going to go ahead and put these in. Alright, so that's what you would see when you get your case. Of course, you're not going to have a video card assembled, but at this point. But first thing we're going to do is look for our a slightly dimmer light a little, I think. Alright, in our front row we have the hard drive light. Let me find that one. So I usually kind of go in the same order with these, so hopefully you can see that. HDD. Front row, we want the print facing outward, and that goes right in there. Simple, very simple. Now behind that is the power LED, and these guys are kind of a pain in the butt, so it's good to do these early. Okay. And the left side has positive, right's negative, but once again text facing outward so we can see it from this angle. And we're going to go ahead and slip those in. And these can be a bit of a pain. Why they don't make them one single connector, or actually why they don't make all these one single connector, I'll never know. But okay, there we go. So we're almost halfway there, folks. Alright, so the next connector we're going to do, and I have so much light on here I can't even see it, but is our reset switch. Okay. There's our reset switch. And that's going to go right in there. Easy day. Then we've got our power switch, right? So main thing about these connectors, if you don't do them right, good chance you're not going to have a working computer. So good to do them correctly. Speaker, and this is on the back row and all the way to the right, and it's going to just snap in there really easy like that. And that's going to give you that beep on boot up. So really pretty easy if you have the right tools. Like I use this guy right here, really helps. And you know, sometimes I do these outside of the case, but that's kind of difficult when you want to route the cables around the case. So you're pretty much stuck doing it after you put the motherboard in the case. But for these kind of videos that I'm doing, a little easier to see it when it's outside. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, please subscribe.